Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. In this video, we will talk about the feature which is the P6 Project Hub. The idea behind this feature is that when you deal with Primavera on large-scale projects, you find that importing, exporting, updating, and such things take a very long time if you have a project with 10,000 activities, 20,000 activities. The database takes time to process, loading, and it also becomes very heavy. That's why this feature will help you with projects if you are working on large projects. This is the Primavera file, our database, and we have 2 projects present. Let's open Excel. Of course, we will make adjustments to the database, so you will find the integration and choose the P6 Project Hub. It will open the exact same layout for you that is in Primavera, both the EPS and the projects that are there. Of course, this feature on the side is what we will use, or it's easier to right-click and you'll find all the features available. We'll explain them now. And if you want to specify the database location, you click Browse and select your database's location. And here the help, as we said, will open a video for you explaining this icon or this form. Let's see what we can do from this form. First thing, you can right-click and perform an import. Let's stand on a specific EPS. You can import an XCR file. If you click Import XCR, for example, we will select these projects. You can import one or more than one, and this is the advantage of a Primavera, that you can import a group of projects, a bulk import, instead of doing it one by one in Primavera. It will start importing. It's finished. You will notice it added all the projects to your EPS. That's the first option, Import XCR. You have the update, whether it's a full step or half-step update. The full step is not enabled yet. I will enable it, God willing, in the future, so you will find it available in the half step. You can also import or update a single project or a group of projects. How does that work? You select the projects and perform an update on them, either a half-step or full-step update. It will list the projects you selected here. Then you click Browse and start selecting any update you have. Of course, this data is dummy data, so it's not a problem. And you select for each project where its update is. So this is the advantage of doing a patch update. You will notice here there is a safeguard that confirms you have selected the project correctly. I mean, if you have your project and you select a different project to perform an update, Primavera will naturally perform an update and mess everything up. No. Here, a safeguard confirms that you have actually selected the correct project. And even if you neglect this, the tool won't perform an update except on the activities that are present, because it is, a half-step update. And the advantage of the half-step update is that if the schedule has been tampered with or anything like that, it won't take anything but the actual data. Meaning, if milestones change, relationships change, or the original duration, the tool won't take that. It will only take the actual data for you. So simply when you perform an update, the tool will start updating all these projects for you. Here, of course, is the status. The status of all the projects. If you were to do this in Primavera, of course, it would take time, and you would have to do it one by one. It's finished now. It has updated all the projects for you. This is the second option. The next option is Export to XCR. XCR is the same thing. You can export one or more projects with a right-click, Export to Excel. You can select these projects or the baseline. If these projects or a project has a baseline and you want to export the baseline without the update, you perform an export and assign baseline. And you choose Select the project, choose any folder, and start saving. The tool will start exporting all your projects with the XCR extension. The next option is Duplicate. If you want to, for example, let's duplicate this. Let's just go back. Of course, with Duplicate, you can duplicate the project or the baseline or both together. So we will duplicate the project. It will start uploading it for you like this. It has created a duplicate for you. There is the other feature. You have a database cleaner. As we said, it clears for you. It cleans up the database for you. And the option, if you try to delete a project on Primavera, it gives you an error. This option will fix it. There's a reset password if you want to reset the password. Let's see this on Primavera. You won't notice that there is anything that has been done. You do File, Refresh Data. It brought you everything. Of course, it didn't take time because the database has been cleaned. Okay, the next option is Delete. So you select the projects you want and choose Delete. The advantage of the delete here over the Primavera's own delete, believe it or not, it leaves things behind in the database. I mean, it doesn't do a full clean, so you might always find your database has only 1 or 2 projects in it, and you find the database size is large, and also this takes time. We will just do delete if you want to delete all these projects. It will start deleting. You will find that your database has become large and Primavera's responsiveness has become difficult. You will notice first that it reduced the space for you, meaning it was 87 megabytes and became 32 MB. And it deleted all the projects here for you. Of course, if you go to Primavera, you can refresh. Okay. The projects that were deleted might not disappear immediately. Just right-click on them and you will see it start to delete them like this. Or, of course, if you close Primavera and open it again, it will automatically delete the projects for you. But I hope this feature is useful to you, so try it out, and God willing. Of course, there is another option I forgot to mention, which is this option. Of course, this makes the tool a bit slower because the first thing it does is take a backup of the database and then execute these commands. So the process takes some time, and it is preferable that you uncheck this. I mean, at first, you can check it until you test the tool and find that everything is working fine for you, and then uncheck it so that the process takes less time.